So in this video, I will show you how to achieve zero ping in Fortnite Season 2. So if you find this video helpful in any way, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and even subscribe for more content like this. I hope these tips help as much as they did for me. Now let's get right into it. I'll be demonstrating how to reduce your ping in Chapter 5 Season 2 on both console and PC. We'll cover various aspects such as network settings, utilizing the command PRS for ping testing provided by Epic Games, and much more. If you're aiming for lower ping, be sure to follow these tips. The primary method to reduce your ping this season is by using the Gear Up booster. While I don't usually endorse such apps, Gear Up has garnered a widespread acclaim. Many players, including pros like Sway Tickle and Culture Asian, swear by it. By connecting you to the closest server, Gear Up can significantly reduce ping. Similarly, console players may find Hyperv beneficial as it functions similarly to Gear Up by optimizing your connection to the nearest server, even if you have a poor internet connection. Next, ensure that your network drivers are up to date. Whether you're on Windows 10 or 11, the process is quite similar. Simply navigate to Device Manager via the search bar, click on Network Adapters, and update your drivers accordingly. It's also crucial to optimize your DNS settings. Utilize a DNS benchmark tool to find the best DNS servers for your connection. Update your DNS setting based on the result for improved performance. In addition to these steps, consider checking your PC's health using the provided command dsim-online/cleanup-image/check-health in the command prompt. This can help identify any potential issues affecting your system's performance. Lastly, don't forget to regularly update your graphics drivers. Scan your PC for viruses using Malwarebytes and clean up necessary files with CCleaner. Once you've implemented these optimizations, restart your PC for the changes to take effect. If your drivers are not up to date, hit Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. If the best drivers for your device are already installed, you're good to go. Otherwise, proceed to update your drivers. Next, conduct a DNS benchmark. Search for DNS benchmark on Google and download the tool. Console players can do this on their laptops since DNS settings can still be adjusted on consoles. Once downloaded, navigate to the name server sections where the best DNS servers for your use will be listed. Update your DNS settings in your network and internet settings accordingly. Following that, open the command prompt and execute the command ipconfig/flushdns to clear the DNS cache on your computer. This can resolve various networking issues by eliminating outdated or corrupted records. Then use the ping command followed by the DNS server obtained from the benchmark tool to measure the response time between your computer and the DNS server. Compare this with your previous DNS server to assess any improvements and delay. Moving on to Epic Game Settings. Open the Epic Game Launcher, navigate to Saved, then Config Windows, and open an Engine.ini. Copy and paste the provided code into the empty space. Adjust your settings accordingly in the Epic Games Launcher, paying attention to turning off desktop notification to prevent ping strikes. In Fortnite settings, ensure that report format stats are disabled and turn off replays unless consistently used. Disable all energy saving options to optimize performance further.